Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future from 5th of September to 9th of September 2022. I believe that everybody became profitable last week because exactly as my prediction, the price action moved. So if you followed that my last week video, you might be profitable. If you are not profitable last week, do not worry, just follow this video, take this video as the reference, do your own research and trade carefully. If you like this video, thumb up. If you have any question, anything else, just write down in the comment box, and please subscribe the video so that you will not miss any of this type of video, and it will help you to be profitable. Alright guys, last week the price that was here at around 12,500 this level, and my prediction was that it will go up to 12,800 level. That's the maximum that level, and from that level it will fail and it will touch 12,100 level. This level it will touch. So that was my prediction. Unfortunately, it couldn't touch 12,800. It went up to 12,650, and from that level it fell, and then it touched 12,000 level. Okay, so what I have mentioned is that in my last video, in every rise sell until 12,100 level, and if you have followed that video and in every rise if you have sold, definitely you might be profitable. Let's check what I have mentioned in my last video, what was my prediction in the last video. Let's quickly check that one, then I will come back to this chart and I will analyze for this week. Alright, the prediction of the week is market has entered into the bearish mood, which is likely to touch 12,100 level, but before that it can test 12,800. Alright guys, you have checked my last week prediction and price action that exactly moved as my prediction. It went up to 12,650 up to that level, and from that level it fell, and exactly as I mentioned, it touched 12,100 level, 12,000 level, it touched 12,000 level. So last week definitely it was a selling opportunity, and I advised everyone to sell the Nasdaq 100 future in every rise. If you have sold in every rise, definitely you became profitable last week, and I hope you will be profitable this week also. So what will happen this week, that might be your concern. You are just waiting for to know what will happen for this week. Before analyzing this week, let's quickly see what type of data are going to be released in this week. Based on that, we will try to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future for this week. Alright guys, this week on Monday there is no major data. Tuesday ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Wednesday EIA short-term energy outlook. Thursday initial jobless claim, Fed Chair Powell's speak, crude oil inventory, and Friday there is no major data. These are the data going to be released in this week. Okay guys, we have checked the data. The data are going to be moderate, that's the expectation. And even they are not moderate and they are some positive data, still the power will not be that much, because a major concern or major focus of the week will be Powell's speech. Everybody is waiting what type of speech Powell is going to give in his speech. Basically, he is expected to stick on 0.75% interest rise on 22nd of September. Because of that, market is keep on falling down, and it is expected that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days, the market will slightly fall, and then Wednesday after the Powell's speech, it is expected to rise the market, because the price of 0.75 that has been already priced in until his speech. It is expected to fall the market, and after his speech, market can pull back, especially that day, the market will be highly volatile, and it is expected that on that day it can be sudden fall and then recover, pull back, a sudden fall and pull back that can be expected on that day. And look here, guys, the chart you can see here. At the moment, price is at 12,100 this level, and it is expected the price to fall down until 12,000. From that level, it can pull back. If it fails from that level, there is a very strong support level 11,800, and from that level it can bounce back, and then it is highly possible to touch again 12,200 level. From that level it will fall back again and touch again 12,000 level, and from that level it will go up. Okay, so based on that, based on the speech of Powell, the market direction will be determined. And if the investors they become quite worried about the future market, then from that level it will fall down, and then it is expected to touch 11,500 level. But in my opinion, this week we are not going to see 11,500 level. Probably we can see 11,800 level, and from that level it is very hard chance, very difficult. It's very difficult to fall from that level, and from that level it is expected to pull back. But if it doesn't sustain, or if it doesn't hold this 11,800 level, then next level that will be 11,500. You need to be very careful about in this point 11,800 level, because this level is very, very crucial. Failing to hold this level, that will be definitely bearish market, and then we can see 11,500, and probably failing to that level also very high chance to cross this level, and then we can see 11,300. That level also we can see if it cannot hold 11,800 level. But if it holds 11,800 level, that will be your buying opportunity. Buy from that level. When it crosses 12,000, that will be another buying opportunity. Crossing 12,200, buying another opportunity. So in this way you will have a buying opportunity, and the market will rise from that level. Failing to cross 11,800 indicates a buying opportunity, as I already mentioned. Buy in different points: 11,800, 12,000, 12,200, 12,400, 12,600, with the target 12,800. But it is expected a quick drop and a rebound can be seen in this week. You need to be very careful. That's the reason I suggest you do not enter big lot. Quick drop and rebound can be seen in this week. That's the reason I suggest you not to trade big lot. Sell with tight stop loss, because it is expected to go the market high after Powell's speech. Selling opportunity at 12,400, 12,200, 12,000, 11,800, 11,500, with the target 11,500. These are the selling opportunities, but you need to understand that when the market crosses the 12,400 level, do not try to sell, because the market will go high. Alright guys, now let's quickly recap the video with the prediction of the week. Market is in the significant mode, which is likely to touch 11,800 before making its bullish move. You need to understand that if it fell to hold 11,800 level, then market is expected to go below, and then even if it goes down, then there will be quick rebound. You need to understand that. But if it holds 11,800, that will be your buying opportunity. Weekly data are expected to be moderate, but Powell's speech will be the key to affect investors' sentiment, expected quick drop and rebound. Support level at 12,000, 11,800 and 11,500. If it holds 11,800, start buying from 11,800, 12,000, 12,200, 12,400 and 12,600 with a target 12,800. Okay guys, this is the prediction of the week. I hope that this video is helpful for you to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future for the coming week. Trade carefully. If you like the video, thumb up. If you have any question, any comment, write down in the comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible, and subscribe the channel so that you will not miss this type of educational video. Please take this video as the reference. Do your own research before making any investment. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great day.